Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix F124 crashing on your PC. So the first step, what I suggest to do here is to disable all the peripherals that you have. Maybe you have steering wheel enabled, maybe you have multiple controllers, foot pedals, VR, something like that. Just disable all the peripherals, unplug it from your computer, and then maybe restart it and try to launch the game. And in a lot of ways, this will fix your problem because it can conflict, your PC can conflict with a peripheral. So just try this and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you need to just go to settings, go to Windows Update and check for the latest updates on your operating system. Same thing with your GPU drivers. Go to app that you're using for updates on your GPU. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience to that. Check for updates and then download the latest version of your drivers, right? If the problem persists, what I suggest you to do here is to go to EA app or other client where you got the game, go to library and then press on the three dots and then repair. Maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, right? Next step, what you can do here, you can press on the three dots in the game, view properties, browse. Then you need to look for a F124 exe file, right click on it, show more options, then go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to select these two options and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to search, go to view, view advanced system settings. Then here you need to look for advanced, then select performance settings, go to advanced again, and then select virtual memory and then press change, right? And then select custom size, and then you need to do a few things here. So the first one is you need to duplicate your RAM. For me, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM times 1024. You get this number, and then you just need to multiply this number by 1.5, and you'll get this number here. And what you need to do here is to paste it to initial size, right? And then what you need to do here next on maximum size is to multiply your gigabytes times, as you can see here, 1024. And then you need to, as you can see here, multiply by 3. And then you'll get this number and paste it here. Apply, okay. Restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.